Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to edit the RTX settings in Minecraft, which for some reason Mojang has just locked away from us. So yeah, in the first part I'll be showing you how to set it up, and then the second part I'll be explaining how to actually use it. So first off, let's go to cheatengine.org. Windows probably thinks this is a virus. It's not, but it edits memory of other programs and stuff, in our case Minecraft. So in theory it looks like a virus. It's not, trust me. So once you have this installed, you can go to the first link in the description. There you will see a document. You don't really have to know what's in there. Just press the download button here in the top right corner. Now, launch Minecraft and launch Cheat Engine. Alright, so Minecraft has loaded up. Let's open a world to load all the settings. And now in Cheat Engine, you're going to see this flashing light. Just press it, this monitor icon, and you'll probably see something similar to this under applications, but you want to see processes this time. So then scroll all the way to the bottom, and somewhere here you're gonna see minecraft.windows.exe. Double click. Now Cheat Engine is looking at Minecraft. So then you're gonna press this little map folder button, and just go to your downloads folder, and then find your cheat table, copy, back arrow, and paste. And now you can double click. Now this will probably give you some sort of error / warning. It shouldn't be a problem. If you have any problems, go ahead and ask in the Sunangle channel in the Minecraft RTX Discord. We'll gladly help you out there. So you can just close this. Now, you can see all these values and then a whole lot of other values. These black ones you're probably not gonna need, okay? If you don't like these colors, you can just change color black, right? So we found the settings. Now how are we gonna use it? Well, first, every time you start up Cheat Engine, it'll you select Minecraft, load the associated table, click yes. If you didn't click yes by accident, just press the folder button and Minecraft.windows. Right? So we have these settings. This is a really early version of the cheat table, so it's probably gonna look a bit different for you if you're watching this in the future. But these are the values I've just chosen in like 5 minutes. So we have sun angle, sun angle, blah blah blah. Let's go over these. So sun angle, it's pretty necessary, alright? So you can double click on the value column and change it to 1, but most likely it's gonna change back to 0 instantly. Nothing happened, right? So what you're gonna do is right click, find out what writes to this address, not access, it's write, and then yes, attach debugger. Now just press the stop button. Right click on the 1 or 2 lines you see and replace with nop. Good, that does nothing. Press OK. And now we can change it. Oh yeah, sorry, was under Minecraft. But yeah, you can change it to whatever you want. I prefer 0.5. So now the sun's coming from there, but well, yeah. So to fix that, we're gonna do this again, but for the other 2 values. replace with knob, and now change sun enabled to off, which in this comment we can see 0 is off, 1.5 is on. So we can change it to 0, now the sun is gone. I'll work on a fix for this later so the sun is actually there, but right now I just don't know how to do it yet. Same for the sun. Set it to 0 because that's what it says. And by the way, here's sun angle. You can change set it to any value from -1 to 1. Then your sun is now there instead of there. If you don't find this very important, yeah, it is. Trust me, it is. Now onto the Fulbright. If you want Fulbright, of course, not everyone wants it. I know why you would want it, but whatever. Alright, so you do the find out what rights again, and then you can see recommended 0 to 0.005. That's what I found to be the best values. Just keep in mind that you set all these 3 values to the same thing, otherwise your game is gonna look a bit discolored. Yeah, just do it. Then zone mapping, if you know how to use it, or if someone told you some settings to use or whatever, yeah, but I mean, I don't have one best solution for zone mapping, right? And then when it rains, so let's set the rain real quick, and now rain wetness, let's set this to something else. So replace with knob, and now double click the value 1, and you'll see it's wet. Everything is wet, so that's a little sad that like it's not just the ground, it's everything that's wet. But it doesn't really matter because in my opinion this just looks amazing. So yeah, you will have to turn this on and off manually when it starts raining, so that's kind of a bummer, but possibly I'll make something to do this automatically in the future. We'll see. Now, okay, you basically know everything about the RTX settings. If you want to change any of these settings, go ahead. Just know that it might crash your game, which shouldn't really be a problem, but you'll have to redo the find out what rights to this address. So I am working on something right now that automatically does this whole process, right? Find out what rights to this address. So if you're watching this in the future, you might not need to do this anymore. And yeah, maybe you'll see another updated video with new stuff I've added, which I don't know which it will be, but just check the Discord, RTX Discord, now and then, just to make sure there's nothing huge happening. Alright, have fun.